Hello, welcome back to Roblox. Huh? 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 Yeah, today we're playing Pet Simulator X. Please do not question it, because we're gonna have some fun. Today we're going for the huge hack cat. I've also been trying to grind for that huge cupcake, but the odds of that. And I shouldn't be saying that, because the odds of the hack cat are harder. I mean the huge hack cat. It's going to be auto-hashing this. Oh, Eggs Master 15 already. Haxigator on my first try, and I have auto-delete for epics. But it's not auto-deleting my epics. Oh, hack cat, wow. I haven't gotten the hacked raccoon yet, even though I'm about to get it right now. Or not, hack cat, okay. But who cares about epics? They're supposed to be auto-deleting. What the heck? Is there like something in settings? Wait. I swear my auto-delete settings are on. Oh, this won't be the whole video, don't worry, if that's what you're wondering. We're just going to stay here, trying to hatch that huge hacked cat. Even though we're never going to get it. How the heck am I supposed to get this thing? Huge hack cat. I have the ultra lucky thing on, but like, you know, there's an exclusive ad. I got 3 legendaries yesterday. And then, oh gosh. I'm getting so many of those like Haxigator and like hack cat pets. Those are like a 4% chance. I get so many lucky cats, which are so much better. Bro, just give me the dang huge pet. I worked so hard for a huge pet. I've been auto-grinding this present thing for so long to try to get that huge pet. A huge cupcake thing. Is the normal cupcake pet even in the game? Like, I'm interested to know that. Is that even a pet in the game? Also, you know how there's gonna be like a huge dog and a huge dragon? I'll try to get those. Maybe, but like it depends on how expensive they are. And or if they sell out in 2 minutes, like the other one. Bro, I'm just getting hacked cats and hacked raccoons and haxigators. Just stop giving me rares and epics. At least give me a legendary. I mean, like, I have it auto-deleted anyways. But like, bro, just give me a legendary. I don't want your epics. Also, can you please just like give me some tips on auto-deleting? Because I tried like both things. Like, it doesn't work. Like, I can't auto-delete pets for some reason. It just doesn't work. Ooh, traveling merchant has arrived. I wish I had enough diamonds for him. Oh, I have 8 million. I might actually have enough diamonds. Well, after I'm done hatching all of this, I only have a little bit of time on this thing. You know, I have 8 million diamonds, so. Wait, there's only 3 people in the server. And I did just realize if those people are good, then they could take over my thing. So, let's actually go there right away. If there's someone there, I swear. Oh, nice. The hoverboard over there. That for 5 million? Wait, do I need that? Oh, that's a rainbow one, yeah. Or like just black and red. But okay, so if I go no pets and then I go equip best. Yeah, that might help me a little bit. But is it worth 5 million gems? Oh gosh, yeah. I want a hellish axolotl. I don't even have a normal one. My best pet is this Empyrean axolotl thing, dark matter that my friend gave to me. This is nice. And then my friend gave me these two. This is my best pet I have on my own. Pet Simulator X is so grindy. But you know what I technically could do? I could hatch in the axolotl ocean. I could hatch some of those pets. Because I haven't done that in a while. Hatch the golden shiny axolotl egg. Yeah, no, we have to auto hatch with our luck on too. But why isn't it auto deleting these? Let me show you guys quickly. Huh? Okay, wait. I should probably take these off. But like, turn this on. Give me something more. Whoa! You know what? I'm taking rares off too. I'm taking rares off too. Even though it's not even doing anything, because I'm still getting the freaking pets. Wait, am I? How did... I'm so interested to know. Like, see, Haxel's, Haxel... I got all of these dumb pets from hatching the egg, but like... What the hell? Okay, that's just stupid. Let me turn that on. Okay. That's weird how it doesn't work with a hacked egg and it works with this egg. Well, let me just look at the percent chances again. Hold on. Oh, so it's a 2% to get the... Okay. Okay, game. Okay. I see. Wow. No. Wait, that's a 2%? I could have just gotten the freaking huge pet. Is that what you're telling me? I mean, like, I do kind of want to save my Robux, but this freaking huge... That was a 2% right there. I just got 2 of those just now. In the exclusive shop, there's a freaking huge pet right there. Now I could spend 2,400 Robux. Why would I do that? Why would I? Watch me get to 2% on this one. I would literally scream if I got... I would be so mad. Free! Why? Cole, you're such an idiot. Hatch this. Something more. Again? I swear, if I hatch this one more time, I'm convinced I'm hatching that stupid egg. Okay, I was about to say... I don't know if it's the same luck or anything, but like, oh my god, I wish I could like delete those pets. An epic 0. My luck should have been this good. Well, okay, the only one I've ever hatched is the lucky cat, but like, I want to hatch 3 of them. I want to. I want to. Wait, hold on. I need to do some math quickly. Where's my phone? Hold on. Come on. Alright, guys, I'm saving for something. So if I go like, let me go back to this exclusive pet egg. How much Robux will I have? 4,800 exactly. Hey Siri, what's 4,800 minus 1,600? 3,200. Okay, if I get the rare pet next time, I'm literally gonna freak out. Okay. So I might actually do that. Maybe. Oh, that's a basic. Let me see if that was worth it right there. So I'm going to hatch 3 of these pets. Oh, wow. Maybe that would have been worth it. Basic. Okay. Well, like I would have gotten like 2 of the crab thing. Wait. How rare are the basics again? Wait. Basic. Oh, 49. Shoot. Well, how rare are these? These things. Oh. Okay, so like I feel like I'm gonna get scammed if I try that. It's a bad idea, I feel like. Okay. I don't know, that's the thing. Basic, basic. So I would have just gotten all basics from this one. Gosh, this is hard. Dude, what? Oh god. Yeah, I would have gotten all basics from that if I just hatched it right now. A basic? Wait, okay. I might do this. Then again, I might get this freaking pet. And this is the easiest huge pet to get in the game right now, because it's a 2%. I mean, I'm getting just basics. My luck boosts are still on. I'm gonna have to do this quick because my luck boosts are actually running out. Okay, this is interesting. Maybe I shouldn't buy this. You know, at the beginning of the video, I was thinking I could, but now I'm like, maybe that. Oh god, I have 100 of these. Let me just spam those. Okay, half hour. Yeah, we got plenty of time. I don't know what I was thinking about before. Another basic. Oh gosh, what happened to my luck? Now I'm getting all basics. These better be auto deleting. I swear I'm not. If I get two, okay, if I get 3 of those 2% in a row, I'm convinced. Never mind. Okay, fine. 2 of them in a row, and I'm convinced. If I can get 2 of those guys in a row, then I'm convinced I'll buy the egg. Yes. No. No. Auto hatch. If I get 2 of those in a row, I'm convinced. I'll buy the 3 thing. Because the thing is, I could have easily gotten that in this video. Literally. But I somehow just knew I was going to get it right then. Okay, if I get another one, I'm buying it. Oh. Shoot. So I should buy this thing. Wait, basic? Let me just waste my luck quickly. Let me get one more basic. You don't know how mad I am right now. Oh, I just realized I'm limited on coins, probably. Yeah, I have 18 million. Oh, shoot. If I buy this Robux egg, I'm getting the freaking pet. I don't even care. I might just buy the 800 one. Like 2 times. No! Okay, if I get one more time. Alright, that's it. I'm convinced. If I get this 3rd time, I'm literally gonna quit Pet Simulator X. Shoot. No. Alright, let me open one more. If I get another, I'm going to literally die. What? It's gonna be a basic this time. Thank you. Alright, so if I were to open it right then, I would have gotten all basics. Thank goodness that I didn't open it. I'm saying. If I get it one more time, I'm doing it. If I get this 2 times in a row, I'm doing it. Okay. Oh, I have 4 million more. Let's spend all of it, and then I'll decide why. I might just buy the 800 one. I might buy the 800 one. Oh shoot. Alright, you know what? Exclusive shop. Just do it. Oh, I did it. It's gonna give me trash. I'm gonna get a crab. Bruh. Ice cream cone? What the heck? I want an ice cream cone. Is that even gonna be in my best pet thing? It's not. What the heck? Exclusive shop. Let's open another one. I did it. Last one for this video. Why? Alright, Pet Simulator X is a dumb game. I hate this game so much. I'll come back right before I'm about to hatch this. Long story short, I got trash. Bye.